Hi guys, it's Simon C. Welcome to this new AI Radar. Today I'm gonna talk about how artificial intelligence is different from traditional software, Shell working with Udacity for upskilling, emotion AI hype and regulation. Martin Casado and Matt Bornstein of the VC firm Andreessen Horowitz think that while they believe in using artificial intelligence to transform businesses, they have noticed in many cases that AI companies simply don't have the same economic construction as software businesses and can at times even look more like traditional services companies. The authors offer some advice on how founders can boost their existing or new AI applications. Tips include eliminating model complexity, choosing problem domains carefully and narrowly, and planning for high variable costs, among others. The Wall Street Journal reports that Shell enrolls thousands in online artificial intelligence training. Artificial intelligence enables us to process the vast quantity of data across our businesses to generate new insights which can keep us ahead of the competition, said Yuri Sebkret, Shell's Chief Technology Officer. Executives who work with Udacity typically are looking to upskill employees in areas of AI such as reinforcement learning, computer vision, data analysis, and natural language processing, says Sebastian Thrun, Udacity's founder and president. Businesses pay for Udacity courses under an annual software licensing model, and the prices depend on the length and customization of the course. The classes that Shell employees are pursuing, dubbed nano degrees, cost $400 a month on average when they are purchased by individual consumers, said Udacity Chief Executive Gabe Dal Porto. Udacity's courses for corporate employees are expected to be its largest business this year. Mr. Dal Porto said, added that enterprise interest in Udacity's AI courses has exploded over the past 2 years. Other enterprise clients include Airbus, Ford Motor, and AT&T. The Technology Review reports that emotion AI researchers say overblown claims give their work a bad name. Many of these promises are unsupported by scientific consensus. There are no strong peer-reviewed studies proving that analyzing body posture or facial expressions can help pick the best workers or students. A lack of government regulation isn't just bad for consumers, it's bad for the field too. Rosalind Picard, a professor at the MIT Media Lab who co-founded Affectiva and another effective computer startup, Empatica, suggests that all use of such technologies should be opt-in and that companies should be required to disclose how their technologies were tested and what their limitations are. A ban on using emotion recognition in applications such as job screening would help stop commercialization from outpacing science. Meredith Whittaker, a research scientist at NYU and co-director of AI Now, says that you have to halt the deployment of the technologies first and then invest in research. If the research confirms that the technologies work as companies claim, then consider loosening the ban. In his Import AI newsletter, Jack Clark reports that AI startup Descartes Labs has created a Planetscale Search engine that lets people use the equivalent of find more images like this, but instead of uploading an image into a search engine and getting a response back, they upload a picture of somewhere on Earth and get a set of visually similar locations. Now it's possible to create this system with a generic pre-trained model, he says, a couple of tweaks and some generally available unclassified datasets. Clark thinks that AI systems are going to unlock lots of applications like this, letting us query the world with the sort of intuitive commands that we use our own memories for today. The EU Observer states that the EU is currently at a competitive disadvantage in data access that might weaken its position in the field of artificial intelligence. Data is the fuel for AI, and machine learning is applied branch indeed. The rules are apparently focused on ethics and transparency in AI, as Europe seeks to take a different approach than the US and China in its regulation. The new rules could include a requirement to utilize European datasets when deploying facial recognition, among many other issues. Meanwhile, the Silicon Valley executives, including Pichai and Zuckerberg, have actually pushed for more oversight around artificial intelligence as they seek to develop the public's trust. The Conversation reports that artificial intelligence algorithms intended to root out welfare fraud often end up punishing the poor instead. The evidence suggests incidents of user fraud in American government welfare programs are rare, the Conversation says, but automated fraud detection is too often built on the assumptions that computers are magic and fraud among the poor is endemic. State officials should flip those assumptions and make computers work for the people rather than against them. Okay guys, if you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's all for today. See you next time with AI Radar. Bye.